Today's video from our YouTube channel and our website healthykidneyinc.com is about breakfast and hot cereals for kidney disease. It's starting to get colder where I'm at. Just started having some hot cereal, and the good thing about hot cereals is they're very kidney friendly and you have a large variety. So thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, we give you great information to empower yourself to support good kidney health. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. So hot cereals, we have cream of wheat, cream of rice, we have cream of corn, you have oats. Okay, these are all the common hot cereals that you'll find in most supermarkets. And for those four that I mentioned, they're very kidney friendly for the most part, especially the cream of rice, cream of wheat, because they're lower potassium, they're also lower phosphorus. The oats is going to have a little bit more phosphorus, but it can definitely be fit into a kidney diet. Potassium amounts we generally don't have to worry about when it comes to hot cereals unless you're really trying to restrict potassium, because there's not a lot of potassium that's generally in this. There's a moderate amount, but it's acceptable with most people's kidney diets. So those four that I mentioned, and it's easy to make those. You can find those everywhere. You can put them in a bowl, microwave them. You can add fruits to them. We're going to talk about different things. So those are the four common hot cereals that you can buy. There are a lot more hot cereals out there. As I was looking on the internet, my local supermarket, you can find Bob's Red Mill has a whole variety of 5-grain, 10-grain hot cereal mixes for the morning. And with the hot cereal mixes, you would use some type of milk, a plant-based milk ideally, which can be almond milk. Really good, adds flavor, helps it be a little creamier. Coconut milk, you can add rice milk. With Bob's Red Mill that I mentioned and a lot of these others, I've even seen a buckwheat hot cereal in the morning. Buckwheat is really kidney friendly. With those, they're made from whole grains, so you do want to watch the phosphorus content. So it could be a higher phosphorus content. So if you're really looking to restrict phosphorus, maybe something you might not want to include. You might want to stick to that cream of rice, cream of corn, cream of wheat, because those are going to be lower in the phosphorus content, especially the rice one. So it all depends, but if you're not watching phosphorus, something that you can take it with a phosphorus binder, either a natural one or a prescription one. And what you can do is you can add a lot of other kidney-friendly fruits and other things to your bowl, so you can have a really nice hot cereal. Blueberries, berries, apples, okay, all good kidney-friendly fruits you can add up. Cut them up, add them in there, and enjoy it. For people that are diabetics, the hot cereals may raise blood sugar. So in that case, what you can do is take half the amount of hot cereal you'd be using, and you can add in a whole bunch of kidney-friendly berries, some apples, because those won't raise the blood sugar as much, so that would help you prevent any high blood sugar. You can also add in like 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. You can mix that up. So flax seeds don't raise the blood sugar, so it's another friendly food that you can add in there. So you can make that hot cereal more diabetic friendly. You can also add some sweeteners, but keep them to small amounts. A little cinnamon, honey is one that you can use, a little maple syrup, but just small amounts, keep it tiny. Stevia is something that you can also use, and with that you can use more amounts because you don't have to worry about that raising your blood sugar or extra calories. So hot cereals, try them out. If you have kidney issues, stick to what we recommended. The guidelines, super easy to cook and very kidney friendly. Just watch the whole grain ones as opposed to the more refined grain, simple grain, like the cream of rice, cream of wheat. And to your best kidney health, everybody. And check out all of our other videos about things you can do to support good kidney health. Bye.